Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos. 164 tune cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have this vintage in my collection. It's a 1970 Tonka sports car uh, in mustard yellow or bright yellow guys. This one guys is a press steel, and it's all metal guys, and it's made in Japan. So for me guys, this is a very good condition for its age guys. So I just painted the rear with red marker, and then the headlights guys also painted in silver markers, and in the front bumper guys I just painted it in yellow marker. So anyway guys, overall is in very good condition as you can see, and still original tires guys. It has a Tonka logo, the rear and the front, and the wheels the wheels has a discoloration guys, as you can see, because of the age of this toy. So technically guys, if this one is a 1970, I researched it on Google guys, it's 1970s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000, more than 50 years guys, and is in very good condition. It's all metal guys. The only plastic in this car guys is this windshield and the windows, and it says at the bottom, Tonka, made in Japan. I was born in 1980s guys. So this Tonka sports car, all metal guys, is what they call this, is older than me guys. Okay, in very good condition guys. One of my collection of Tonka. And I will make a videos on my early Tonka guys, my childhood toys, and in my other videos. But for now, this is a bonus video guys. I usually make a videos on my Chorokyus, as you know. So again guys, this is what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the size of this guys is 9 cm by 7 cm guys. 9 cm here, then this one 7 cm. So this is a metal guys, all metal. The only plastic and rubber of this guys is the windshield and the tires. That's it. Again guys, this is a 1970s Tonka sports car in bright yellow, or you can say mustard yellow, in very good condition guys. It's all original and it's made in Japan. Hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.